So here we are going to watch Squid Game. Is this a Squid Game? Wait, she is only eating squids. Where is the game? Okay, I will be providing you real Squid Game. Oh, they are alive. Wait a second. Oh, she is eating the squids alive. This is a serious crime. What is going on here? Stop it. Stop it. I don't want to see this. Stop it. Listen, are you a fucking idiot? I am asking about the Korean drama, The Squid Game. What the hell are you showing me? Do you really want to watch Squid Game? Yes. Really? Are you a fucking donkey? I am saying you again and again that I want to watch The Squid Game, the Korean drama, The Squid Game, and you are playing with me the whole time. Here is the Squid Game. Yeah, so I watched Squid Game. It took me about 2 days to finish it, and I will say that it was a very good experience. And nowadays Squid Game is famous. It's all over the world. Like in 90 countries it is #1, and it's only 9 episode series. Its 9 episodes have made such an impact that it is just ruling like a king. Netflix is saying that it might rule over the Netflix and become the king of the web series. Oh, we have Angel here. Oi, don't go out of a line. You are here to give people a point of view on Squid Game. Stop watching your Angel. But I can't stop watching her. She's so cute. I know that, control. So I have wasted your time, but now I will become serious. So why Squid Game is good and very terrifying. As I tell, Squid Game is exploiting the dark side of human nature, which is connected to the money. As it shows, money can save human life, money can make human do bad deeds, and those bad deeds are normal for the people who have money, and money can also take lives too. Money have a very huge amount of power in its hand. So money is a very important weapon of our society. It just depends upon what kind of people are going to use the weapon in what kind of manner, and that's very important because this is what shapes our society. This can make our society corrupted. This can make our society good. So the Squid Game is a thriller series, and what I like about thriller is that it always put a question mark on humanity and human morality. So the characters are constrained due to their debt. They all are bound to play the game for the money. Of course they are bound because they have to pay money to the money loaner or the shark money loaners. If they don't pay debt to them, they might kill their family, or they might kill the players, or kill the people who have not paid the debt, and that's a very serious issue here because they are all poor people. It's not their fault, but like that's the life they have got. Everyone has a different life, and that's kind of life they have got. That's all I can say about that. So the games are simple and childish game, but the elimination means killing. So these were the games which were played in Korea when they were child, and they all first thought that, oh yeah, this is the childish game we are playing. The first was green light and a red light, or I guess red light and a green light, and then elimination started happening, and then people start panicking, and that was a huge mess. Like huge big mess. And then when eliminations start happening, people run here and there and they start dying, and that was a very, I can say, heartbreaking scene for me because they all people are here to earn money, but they don't know that they have to die, or elimination is the death, and that's very painful for me to see that. And that's why due to this scene I was terrified at the episode 1, and everyone is dying here and there in every episode. And then it was some mental breakdown for our main cast. Some forget their humanity to live, and some stick to their humanity to survive. We can say at the end, Squid Game means survival of the fittest by their own means. So let's talk about the main character. I think I forgot his name, but the amazing thing about main character is that his adaptability. So like, he is poor, a 40-year-old man who is going to be 50s, in his 50s, living with his mother. He has lost his job, he has been divorced from his wife, and his child lives with his wife, and he is a miserable person, but at the heart he is a very good person. I guess his wife never understand him. So the day his child was going to born, something bad happened. His friend died, and because of that he was unable to come for his child delivery. But his wife takes this very seriously and never understands such a good man. He is very decent, polite, and a good man. He never judges you, whatever your money is or whatever your look is. He just see you as a human being, and that's the biggest quality of the main character. So the geniusness of Squid Game is that they were able to foreshadow every main cast death or every main character's death in the previous episodes. And episode 2 of Squid Game was one of the good episodes I would like to talk about. Like, that episode solely focus on the characters, the important characters, and what's going in their life and why are they in this kind of situation. And at that episode, every character's death has been foreshadowed. When you watch every episode after episode 2, you will get to know why it is foreshadowed. And this make this series very deep. Like, we are able to see how Ali has not been get payment for like 6 months, and he has no choice but to come here and play the game. And that also shows how other characters have been in a bad situation and they have to get out of that situation, and to get out of that situation they need money, and for this they're bound to play this game. They have no choice because even outside world is hell for them, so why don't they struggle in another hell to get money? So I will just like to tell that I was not here to explain what is Squid Game or what is its plot or whatever. You will get to know it when you watch the series, and this is the thing that I don't need to tell you. I am just here to express my feeling, that what I felt about when I was watching Squid Game. That's all. क्योंकि भाई मेरे को जैसा फील हुआ, मैंने उसी हिसाब से स्क्विड गेम के बारे में आपको बताया. मैं आपको यहाँ पे प्लॉट बताने नहीं आया हूँ, या मैं आपको यहाँ पे कुछ ये बताने आया हूँ कि ये सीरीज में क्या हुआ. मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. मैं आपको इस सीरीज का एक अच्छा पॉइंट बताने आया हूँ. आई एम हियर टू टेल यू अबाउट द सीरीज point, what's its point of view, what its point, and what's its psychological factor, how the characters are good, and that's what I was here to tell you about. And I guess I am able to deliver you very nicely, and you are able to know what the Squid Game is about. Thank you for listening to my video till the end. I will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye.